In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up no reply email in Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, head over to Google Workspace. You can easily find it by searching for Google Workspace, which is Google's comprehensive suite of secure online productivity and collaboration tools. Once you're there, look for the admin console. This is the heart of Google Workspace management, where you'll have control over all the administrative functions. It might be worth bookmarking the admin console page for easy access in the future, especially if you'll be performing admin tasks regularly. From the admin console, navigate to the Google Workspace dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your command center, displaying all the services and settings available to your organization. Here you'll find various options that can be managed to tailor your workspace to fit your needs. Next, click on Directory. The directory is like your address book for the workspace, listing all users and resources. It's a critical step since this is where we manage user identities and configure any new accounts, including our no reply email. Inside the directory, select Users. This allows you to view and manage all the current user accounts within your organization. From this panel, you can add, modify, or delete users based on your organizational requirements. Now it's time to set up a crucial component, our no reply email address. To do this, you will click on Add New User. This button should typically be easy to find, usually located prominently in the Users section. When setting up your new user, you will create the no reply email address. Be sure to clearly label it as a no reply account in the username field, something like no reply at yourdomain.com. This will help everyone in your organization identify the purpose of this account easily. Also, when configuring this account, ensure it's set as a fully functional user account. Although people can't reply to this email, it needs to be able to send emails as any normal account would. And there you have it. With your no reply email all set, your business can efficiently manage outbound communications without worrying about incoming responses that clog up the inbox. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, automation can streamline your workflows, making everything more efficient. Be sure to explore more of Google Workspace's features to utilize its full potential. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your digital workspace. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.